In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to download and install HP LaserJet 1020 Plus driver in your Windows 11. Now, without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to bring up your Google Chrome, and here at the search bar, please type for HP LaserJet 1020 Plus driver. And once done typing, click on the enter key in your keyboard, and in that way, you will be able to see a list of results. So please proceed to the first one, which is under support.hp.com. Click on it. And in that way, you would be able to be navigated to this new page where you can see this HP LaserJet 1020 Plus driver or Plus printer. So by that, you need to close the window, and there you can see a software and driver for our printer driver. So click on this download. The moment you've clicked on it, it will ask you to agree on the license agreement. Just click on yes, and in that way, you can now start the downloading process. In my case, I have already downloaded such, but in your case, if not yet, then download it. Okay? Once the downloaded process has been completed, navigate here in the top right corner, click on this download icon and it will show you the .exe file. So please click on this folder icon to show it into the location where it is being placed to or saved to. So the next step that we need to do is we need to make a right click while selecting this file. Click on the cut icon here, and once you have copied it, close the window, and here at the desktop, please make a right click and click on paste. Once you have successfully moved this file here at the desktop, you need to double tap to extract or unzip the file, or you can simply make a right click and then use the WinRAR tool to extract it. So the moment you click on it, wait until a new file folder would be created here at the desktop, and that would mean that we have successfully extracted it. Once it's here, okay, we need to proceed to the installation by navigating here at the start, make a right click, scroll up, and click on settings. You can also press Windows key and I key together, and in that way you would be able to open the settings. So from that, please navigate on the Bluetooth and devices tab, click on it, and the moment you have bring up the Bluetooth and devices settings, okay, you need to navigate here at the printers and scanners. Afterwards, you would be able to see an option here, add device, click on it, and wait until you can get an option where you can manually add our printer driver. Once it's here, click on add manually, and in this window, please choose for add a local printer or network printer with manual settings, click on next, click on this down arrow key, and use among of this three USB port. Once done, okay, if you have an HP port, you can use that, okay? And once you are done, please click on next here, and then click on have disk and click. And since our extract has been placed at the desktop, then we need to navigate there, scroll down on the list, proceed with this HP, double tapped, and scroll down and locate for any of this. Okay. So anyway, this functions similarly, so no worries for that. Click on open and click on OK. And eventually you need to select for HP LaserJet 1020. Click on next here and click on next. Once done, you can now start the installation. Please wait until this process would be finished. Okay, so once done, please click on next, click on finished, and there you have that. You have just successfully installed the HP LaserJet 1020 printer driver in your Windows 11. Now close the window and you're good to go. So if you think this video had helped you a lot, then please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day everyone.